Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna give you some tips or hacks about the outer beauty and inner beauty, and looking beautiful without using any makeup products for your face. So some people don't like to wear some more makeup, or don't want to do much more for you, and some people don't know how to do makeup. For that, you can just if you want to wear a makeup, you can just go through all my videos which I have uploaded about the makeup, and I'm gonna just suggest you that so I'm gonna just say that I'm not that person like liking more makeup, but I like makeup and I love them. I don't want to wear this always, like a day in a day. I can't just maintain that because I'll get irritated or anything. So you're that person, please comment down below. And yeah, I'm not telling that you should not wear makeup. If you love makeup, you can do that. You can just wear your makeup. And yeah, I love makeup, but that certain situation you have to not wear a makeup, or you have that occasion that you wanted to wear a makeup, and I'll be always in my no makeup look. That is my favorite look. Actually, you wanted to ask, if you ask me, that is my favorite one. Or yeah, I'm not gonna bug you up something not worth it, something like out of the box about this like topic. I'm gonna quickly jump into that, which is like inner beauty, your health, and even mental health too, because mental health is really important for the people nowadays. And yeah, mental health is really important because you have to maintain your mental health in a good way. If you stay good in good good mentally, you'll be good yeah, as well in physically. That is my policy. If I be good feel good mentally, I'll be good in physically. So yeah, that is my policy of life. And wanted to like, some people will ask me like how you have a good clear skin, because I because I'm lucky or blessed, I don't know, but I don't have pimples. But I had a pimple, but that is really common for all the girls. And for getting rid of that, which is you have to maintain your perfect meal, or the pimple will cause about because of the hormone changes in your body. That is really common. You have to not bother it. Yeah, so take care of your skin, like drinking water and having good meal, like healthy meal. And also keep the skincare products with you, like use some good moisturizer and good serum and good lip balm. That's it is enough for you. If you have breakout skin, you have to if according to your dermatologist or any of your doctor, you can just ask a suggestion from them, and you can just use the product according to them which they suggest you. So I'm not suggesting for any products in this video, because I feel some skin difference will be like they'll be having dry skin, sensitive skin, or oily skin. According to them, you can just choose your own. You know what is good for you. And if I suggest and in other videos I have suggested the video, like all the product. You have to just look that which one is suits you or which not suits you. Yeah, so you can just so yeah. And the looking beautiful from outside, which is you have to look presentable for the people. You can just do anything, like apply CC cream or a BB cream, just enough for you. And don't like light like kajal for your eyes, and fill your brows and lipstick, which is look like a no makeup look that is really presentable for the people. Or any lip balm or a lipstick light color like pink, nude, many colors are in the in outside in the app, all and you'll get. And yeah, looking beautiful is not that you have to just only apply the makeup layer in the layers. No, I'm going to just tell you that looking presentable and beautiful, that you have to have clean nails and uh, good clean face, washing it day by day and time to timely. And like today you can see me, I'm not wearing single makeup, not even BB cream or a CC cream. I'm just wearing my moisturizer and a little bit of lip balm for my lips, and yeah, that's it. I didn't even fill my eyebrows also. And looking beautiful from inside, like about your behavior, which you have any bad habits, you can just leave them. You don't have like, for example, you don't have like patience for you in from you, or you don't have like you are short tempered or anything. You'll not think before talking anything or telling anything. You have to remove that thing. Yeah, the bad behavior makes you not so beautiful from inside, and people will see you not your makeup or anything. The people will see your behavior and you in this society. This is really important, and you have to be patient, calm, and yeah, and looking beautiful in outside, which is keeping a smile on your face, whatever it happened in your life. Like you uh, get something into something like a problem or anything, you have to just know how to deal with it, and you have to just keep a smile on your face. Or your day is going really bad, you have to keep a smile on your face. And yeah, just the smile is really important on your face, and you'll feel good from inside. And and be positive and think positive, don't be so negative. And do whatever you love. I mean, you love to draw or sketch, or you wanted to make a YouTube video like me, or you love to dance, or you love to you like to do a fashion designing or anything about your career in the future. You have to do whatever you love. Don't listen others. If you feel they're right, then only you have to just listen to them, like your parents or your relative, who have the experience in that, or who feel like something you're doing which is wrong. You have to just listen to them, and you have to think about that also, which makes and you have to think 100 times doing something, or 100 times to do something right or wrong. You have to think 100 times, and you have to think 100 times to speak in different situations. Yeah, that makes you like different person, stand out in the society. Yeah, so outability is not so important for the people. I may say, for me it is not really important how you look and what color of yours, and that is not really important. If you are living in that place, which is really important, your looks are really important, you have to do nothing. You have to take care of your skincare, and do some home remedies or anything, or buy some products which it suits you. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna suggest to that person, or you are that person, like you're shooting, and you have to wear a makeup 24 hours. You have to take care of your skin and use some good like moisturizer and good makeup remover, and that is it. And if you wanted to have a good health, which is health is really important now, I mean, every day, every time, that is, you have to like have a good habit of exercising, meditating. As I said in my previous video, which is like life saving, life changing hacks. I leave somewhere here the link. You have to go. You have to watch that, and that is lifestyles change. And yeah, I'm gonna just, yeah, so that is it. And be positive, feel positive, and do something you love and that makes you really happy on your face, and keep a habit of reading book or writing something which you like. And do something, be active in this quarantine or the holidays. When you are you are in the vacation, don't forget to keep your mind busy. Don't think much, and be happy and think positive, and be positive and keep a smile whatever it happens in your life. If you're going a bad, if your day is being really bad for you, you have to just keep a smile and tell to you that you can do it and you are the best. Nothing you have to do that. And that's it for this video. And drink a glass of water or more than that in a day. That makes you hydrated and feel good. And drink hot water too. And this situation, keep your immunity boosted and be happy and stay positive. I'm gonna just repeat this word because I really love to do this. And take a good advice if you feel you wanted to take a advice from anyone who has really experienced in that field or in that situation or anything. So that's it for the today's video. If you like this video, please do like, and don't forget to leave a comment in the down this video, if you like this video or not. And if you need so many like this video, please do comment down below and share this video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do it. And yeah, and like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification to get notified to my next video. And until I'll meet you in my next video, so till then, bye, stay positive and be happy, keep a smile, bye. Subscribe, it's free. I'm seeing the people who are watching my videos, I'm not subscribing to my channel. It is not fair. Do subscribe, and it's free. So I'll meet you in my next video with a new topic. Till then, bye.